Today I would like to introduce to you our company's ZW-3310 Transformer Parameter Comprehensive Tester, which has 5 testing functions at the same time. This is the device connection port. Here are the device USB ports, and our S232. Here is the device's printer, ground post, and power switch. This is what the device looks like overall. Next, we will connect the test wires. First, connect the high voltage and test wires according to the port colors. The thick wires are connected to the current end, and the thin wires are connected to the voltage end. After connecting the equipment port, connect the corresponding test clamp to the corresponding high voltage terminal of the transformer. Next, we will connect the low voltage port of the device. Follow the same connection method as the high voltage port, and connect according to the port color. Then use the same method to connect the low voltage clamp to the low voltage terminal of the transformer. Connect the ground wire. Plug in the power cord, and turn on the power switch. After booting up, enter the main interface of the device, which displays 5 test categories, system settings and record query. The first one is the DC resistance test. After clicking to enter, you can set the winding temperature, converted temperature and winding material. You can also select high voltage test, medium voltage test and low voltage test according to the test needs. The second is the short circuit impedance test. After clicking to enter the interface, you can set relevant parameters according to the product being tested and the test requirements, and select single-phase test or 3-phase test. This is a ratio test. After clicking enter, you can set it up according to the test requirements, and start the test. This is demagnetization and verification demagnetization. After clicking to enter, you can make relevant settings and demagnetize the test product. This is a load switch test. Click to enter to set and operate. This is the system settings interface. After entering, you can set it according to customer needs. The last one is data query. After clicking in, you can select the data you want to view and perform operations such as printing and exporting. The basic functions of each interface of the device have been introduced. Next, we will conduct a demonstration test. Click to enter the DC resistance test. Set parameters according to test requirements. After setting the relevant parameters, here we demonstrate the low voltage test. After entering the low voltage test interface, select to set the tap position, test phase, and test current. After setting up according to the test requirements, click Start Test. Equipment is being tested. After the test results are stable, you can directly click to print or click to save the test data. Customers can also lock the test. After locking, the device will no longer test. Click to unlock the device to start testing. After the test is finished, click Stop, and the device will start discharging. After the discharge is finished, click Return. After returning to the DC resistance test interface, let's demonstrate the high voltage test. Click to enter and make relevant settings according to the test requirements. After setting, click Start Test. After waiting for the test data to stabilize, we can click Lock so that the experimental value no longer changes, then click Print and click Save Data. After the test is completed, be sure to click Stop to discharge the device, and then click Return after the discharge is completed. The DC resistance test demonstration is complete. Click to return to the main interface. Next, we will demonstrate the ratio test. Click to enter. After entering the interface, set the rated voltage, rated low voltage, and voltage regulation ratio according to the nameplate information of the transformer we tested, and set the rated decomposition, high voltage connection, and test mode according to the test conditions. After the settings are completed, click Start Test. The test is finished, the results are displayed, click to print, click to save the test data. The ratio test demonstration is completed and returns to the main interface of the device. Next we will conduct a short circuit impedance test. Click to enter. Before testing, we removed the low voltage end test clamp and short-circuited the low voltage end. After the line is connected, set the gear selection, test position, connection method, test material, rated capacity, nameplate impedance, rated voltage and other parameters. After setting, click 3-phase test. After setting, click on the 3-phase test, click to start the test. You can select the power supply mode, an automatic test or manual test in this mode. Here we select the internal power supply and automatic test. The device is being tested. After the test is completed, a prompt interface appears. Click Yes and the interface will display the test results. Click to print the experimental data and click to save. After the short circuit impedance test is completed, click Stop Test to discharge the device. After the discharge is completed, click Return to enter the main interface. Demagnetization and verification. Demagnetization, we will not demonstrate this, the image that will appear on the demagnetization test interface. We do not do demonstration testing for load switch testing. After the equipment test demonstration is completed, we click to enter the data query, and can review, print, delete, and export the historical test data. This product can complete all test items with one wiring, reducing the workload of on-site testers. Each functional circuit adopts isolation technology designed to eliminate interference between test functions. The measurement circuit adopts hardware and software filtering technology to improve the anti-interference ability of the measurement function. The product is designed with good grounding and shielding measures to improve the anti-interference ability of the whole machine. The whole product can perform 5 functional tests at the same time, and customers can also customize the functions according to their own test needs.